Being the spacers didn't work, I haven't ran it yet. And I kind of want to hear what this intake sounds like, if it has any good full barrel moan to it when you rev it up. The car's cold, so I'm going to have to let it warm up a minute, and it's going to be extremely noisy in this building. This tin building, it just like echoes and resonates in here. But let's see what it sounds like. Well, we'll see what this sounds like. Sounded good in the car. We'll see what it sounds like on camera. I'll put it on there and see what we got.